Dear students, this part is the continuation of second chapter, The Courageous Girl. Here, Megha has found some problems in the daycare in Delhi Tots, where she was spending time recently, and she has decided to make some plans against the problems. So, I am reading from page number 16 of your textbook. Asha took a leave for the day and went to pick her daughters from their school. Anagha informed her that news had travelled to their school too. Most people were congratulating Megha and some were deriding her. They travelled home in silence. Maybe Grandma would have a solution. Grandma was stoic. She told Asha, don't worry, go to school like you always do. I will take care of everything at home. No harm can come to us. Here there is a word deriding means expressing contempt for ridiculing. So the news of the issues going on in the daycare has reached in their school too. So all are with Megha and Anagha. They are supporting Megha and Anagha. Okay, and here there is a word for stoic. Okay, a person who can endure pain or hardship without showing their feelings or complaining. So grandmother is a stoic. She is a person who can endure pain without showing their feelings or complaining. So both children, they are believing the grandmother can help them. She can give a solution for their problems. But they did not have to do much. When the other parents came to know that Megha and Anagha were forced to leave the daycare, the reason behind it, they all approached Meena Rajvanshi. All parents insisted that the center should check the quality of food being offered to the children and that Meena take Megha and Anagha back in the center. So the madam of the daycare, she has taken the Megha and Anagha back in the center. Else, they plan to take legal action against the daycare center. This carried on for some days. So Megha and Anagha, they raised their voice for the poor children, for the low children. They have raised their sound. So there was a solution for every problems. Due to the other parents' insistence and realization by Meena, she promised to check the quality of food herself in future. She also promised to take Megha and Anaga back to the daycare. Asha was so relieved because Asha was the mother of that children and she had to go for work. So she was so tensed. Okay, when Megha's school principal heard about the whole incident, she called Megha out in the assembly and praised her for taking a stand and fighting for the right. She had truly been a whistleblower. And who is a whistleblower? We can see whistleblower means a person who informs on a person or organization regarded as engaging in an unlawful or immoral activity. When Megha's school principal heard about the whole incident, she called Megha out in the assembly and praised her for taking a stand and fighting for the right. She had truly been a whistleblower. As an appreciation, she was even awarded a scholarship for a year. Asha was so proud of Megha and was sure so would have been Megha's father. Whistleblowers Whistleblowers have a unique significance in the process of finishing corruption from a system. They help in cleansing malpractices from powerful organizations. They are generally insiders and therefore are in an unparalleled position to reach the sources of crime. Here are some ways in which whistleblowers are advantageous to a society. So, who are whistleblowers? Okay, they take unprecedented risk. They place themselves in grave situations by risking their jobs and lives. They risk uncertainty. They are not sure whether their claims will be taken seriously or not. Their families suffer too by facing ridicule and social stigma, lack of advancement, opportunities in jobs and society, risk loss of identity. Many a times the identity of the whistleblower is changed for life to protect him her from revenge seekers. Here are some steps we can take to help and appreciate whistleblowers. Respect. Respect their decision to stand up and say something. Value their courage. Value their courage to speak out. Support. Show your support to them. It will mean a lot of them. So, in your society, there will be some whistleblowers. Whistleblowers means there will be they are giving sound for the soundless. In the society, there will be many people, they are not able to raise their voices for their needs. So, if you can raise your sound for the voiceless, that will be a great thing. The same way you can help many needy. So, in page number 18, there is a question. Have you ever been a witness to something wrong being done? How did you react? Given a chance, how would you change the way you behaved? So, you have to write down the answer. According to you, have you ever been a witness to something wrong being done? If you have been a witness to something wrong, how did you react? And if you have reacted, you can write down the way you reacted. And if you are given a chance, how would you change the way you behaved? Okay. Then there are the answer the following questions. Why did Asha take up a teaching job at a local school? Actually, Asha, okay, their mother, she hadn't a husband, okay, and she wanted to do a job for taking care of the children, okay. And what conversation did Megha hear between Seema and Nima at Indilitods one afternoon? So you have to read and find out what conversation did Megha hear between Seema and Nima at Indilitods one afternoon. Okay, that means here the food served in the daycare was low quality. There wasn't any nutritional elements for the food. Okay, and that was the conversation Megha here heard between Seema and Nima. Okay, what did Megha plan on doing? What was Megha's plan on doing? And what happened when Dia's parents disclosed all the information Megha had shared with them? What happened when Dia's parents disclosed all the information Megha had shared with them? So when Dia's parents disclosed means they told everything openly to Meena mom. Okay. Then what happened to Megha? Okay, Megha and the Anaga. Okay, they were sent out from the daycare. Okay, so Asha was so sad because there isn't any place for them to send Megha and Anaga. Why were Megha and Anaga taken back to the daycare center? So Meena madam again decided to take back Megha and Anaga in the daycare. Okay, what is behind of that decision? So this is very simple questions. You can answer it and write down in the notebook backside. Okay, and how would you react in the following situations? You see a government official demanding bribe for doing his duty. Bribe means a government official asking money for doing his own duty, that he as a government servant he has to do everything for the people, and for doing these duties he is asking money, that is bribe. He never do it. Okay, if you see somebody is asking money, how do you react? Will you give bribe? Okay, let me write down two sentences about it. You find your friend is copying in the examination. During examination you have seen your own friend copying. Then how do you react? Will you allow him to copying, or will you tell the teacher? Will you inform the teacher? Okay, so what's your opinion? Write down the. You catch your sibling stealing money from your father's wallet. Okay, your own sibling has stolen money from your father's purse. If you found him the same way, how do you react? Okay, So positively, I hope that very positively that you will react. Okay, you will take good decisions. So you see a commercial describing the benefits of a product. You have used the same product and have experienced that the benefits mentioned are not true. Write a letter to the editor of the local newspaper describing your experience. Request the editor to publish the same in the newspaper for other consumers' benefits. So there is a writing a letter task you have. So write down that one and send me. Okay, thank you.